under the curse.
All right, YouTubes. You guys probably remember I just put this in last year, the H.V.A.C ice maker. Making tons of ice here. Well, they got to move it. So this has to move inside. So it's going to move inside the building. The condensing unit's going to go back there. This is where I put that walk-in box in recently. And it's got to get moved to back here because the inspector wants the ice to be inside the building. This is a kiln for, they make pottery. And we're gonna put the condensing unit on top of here. I'm actually gonna scoot it back a little bit more. I'm just gonna come back here and we'll have another line set going into the building. Probably run this one on the inside of the building and then poke out. Be rad if I could poke out right here. If I could find this and poke out right here and come in up here. That's the plan, so stay tuned. All right, I had to break out the recovery machine. If you guys remember, this was all used equipment. And this king valve here has seen better days. That's why you see the cap on it. So I'm going to see about getting a new one. And remember, I replaced the suction service valve. This had worked till this time, and it just leaks out. And there's no packing nut on these ones. See, there's a style without the packing nut, and it's just a big old leaker. Plus, it doesn't seat. I found out it doesn't seat anymore, so that's got to go. I'm gonna get the number off of this from Copeland right here and see if they got one for me. All right, we're all disconnected. Disconnected, ready to move. And I got my line set cut here. And we'll tune back in. We're gonna do some piping. I'm gonna pipe it on the inside of the building, behind the walk-in coolers. My fat ass could barely fit in there. Here's where we're at. Everything is off of there. Condensing units back here. You might be able to see where I stubbed my lines out. Let's see. Oh, it's right on the 45 of that. Of this. You can see the shadow. You can see the shadow where my lines are stubbed out. There they are. Stubbers. They're gonna go wink, wink. Probably on those blocks and over. And that's gonna go up on top of here, on top of that one. And when it gets all straightened out, I'm not moving that. If you guys know the channel, you guys know I've already had back surgery, so I'm not lifting stuff. These guys are doing it, so that's cool. I'll show you what I do with the line set so far. I gotta take you inside for that. Okay. Just gonna end up here. They got the floor epoxy, they got the drain going. Here's my line set. It goes down all the way back there and then pokes out. That's where my fat butt was at. And then I'll pipe this into the unit, and the unit's gonna sit inside now. So we'll keep moving along. So today was the starter day, and I think they need it running by Monday. So I'll be out here Sunday roping on it. Hopefully we can get it all done. And then, because they got salmon season opened up, so they're going to be getting a ton of salmon, and they need the ice for the salmons. There she is. Star of the show. Yeah. For tax purposes, at the end of next year, I might have to buy a van. I have no deductions left, so. And I don't want to get rid of the van China because it runs so good. So I'm at a crossroads in life right now. We can talk about it on the live stream.